ẹ̀yin tèmi kí lẹ rò pé ó lè fà á tí Lege Miami fi ń pariwo Wasiu Ayinde tó fi pariwo ẹ̀ síta tó fi call ẹ̀ out. Ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ lè happen nítorí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe rí òye yẹn ni pé kò sí ẹni tó wà láyé tí kò ní límìtì tiẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá ń pọ́nyàn lé tó ń pọ́nyàn lé tó ń pọ́nyàn lé tó bá ti rí pé òun ò rápọ̀n lé yẹn padà gẹ́gẹ́ bóun ṣe ń pọ́n ẹnìyẹn lé ó lè padà fa àbùkù ẹni ẹ síta o tàbí kó sọ fún pé kò já mọ́ kankan ogun ò pọ́n lé mọ́. Ohun tó lè mú Lege Miami tó mọ para báyìí tó ń pariwo pé mo wá ṣó ẹ mọ́ màá máa di owó mi mú mo tiẹ̀ prefer kí lọ máa fún oníbàárà ó máa ti dé level kan nìyẹn. Àwọn Yorùbá gan máa ń sọ wípé à ń ṣoore ká lè bá àgbà tó bá di páàrí gbà á padà wá di mo ṣe fọlọ́run. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ bá rí tó ń ṣe dáadáa òun náà expect kan ṣe dáadáa padà fóun ni. A mọ̀ pé Lege Miami ó gbé K1 sórí gan ó dẹ̀ máa ń pa kódà gan ó ti fà á tó fi ń rí olórin míì fín mi fẹ́ lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn lé ní ṣó ti yé yín bọ̀ tó bá ti di pé bàbá ẹ wá play fún mi tó ń tọ̀nà ẹ̀ dáhùn bóyá lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì ó wá wò pé àkí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ mo kàn ń spray yín lówó ẹrù pẹ́yìn lẹ̀ help ayé mi èmi gan mo help career yín náà látẹ̀ni lọ mo prefer kí lọ máa fún oníbàárà gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi gan like Fuji èmi ni mò ń force ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ fà ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Akol TV ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ like ẹ dẹ̀ comment.
ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi èmi ò lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn mọ́ o mi ò náwó fún wọn mọ́ o èmi ò náwó fún wọn mọ́ o èmi ò náwó fún ní Fuji ní every January 1st ni máa ń kó mi lọ síwájú wọn màá máa ná bọ́ndù ni máa ná èmi ò mọ̀ bóyá wọ́n ríra wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé wọ́n promote mi ni ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ promote èmi lèmi promote yín all my fans they are not Fuji fans they are not Fuji fans they are not I have Fuji fans as well but they are not all my fans say they are not Fuji fans at all. I'm just coming to their show every January 1st to support them but they are seeing themselves as a small god and they don't have anything to contribute to our brand as well. So we decided that we are no longer spraying him again. We are not spraying him again. I've stopped. So please, all my fans, they always go with me every January 1st to this Fuji musician. Every January 1st, I'm no longer going there again. Please, all my fans, this morning we are taking it to motherless home. Àwọn ọmọ tó ní ìyàtọ̀ ní bàbá àwọn ni máa kó yìí fún ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi ẹni kò sí yẹn mọ́ lọ sí ṣé wọn mọ́ every January 1st àwọn olọ́mọ o ilẹ̀ a máa wálé a máa gbádùn tẹ̀bádẹ́ gbé wèrè wá ẹ máa rí wèrè Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ń gbọ́ mo fi kábà búra mo fi gbogbo tó máa jẹ́ búra bíbélì mo fi búra tẹ̀bá play máa play mo fi kábà mo fi gbogbo tó máa jẹ́ búra tẹ̀bá play tẹ̀bá ṣe wèrè ẹ máa ṣe mo fi kábà mi búra mo fi gbogbo tó máa jẹ́ búra tẹ̀bá dé ya wèrè múra wèrè yìí lọ ẹ play kì í play àmọ́ tẹ̀bá play ẹ máa lọ mi máa ń ṣe mọ́ mi mọ̀ yín rí tẹ̀bá lọ ṣe mo ló ṣì òṣì máa ṣe yín ṣé mo lè mo ti wá brother bọ́tọ̀ mo dàgbà síbẹ̀ mo jẹun bẹ̀ mo tún wà ókè mo tún padà lọ bẹ̀. Yeah, we do show every year. This is our end of year party arrangement. You forget about English. That's how we do. This is arrangement. We arrange our show. This is a show, but we don't collect money from people. As a fan, my friend and colleagues, I want to say everyone here today, you don't worry. Don't use to scan our passport. Just be coming. We give you tag the entrance. Look everywhere. This is Marriott Hotel. Thank you very much, Uncle Demola, Adigun, Abshet, and this DJ Randy. God bless you, and all the crew. That's Mr. Bidemi, and this is one of my fans. He's the first person that are here today because and this is our TV screen. You see them; they have been working since yesterday. Our DJ Y, DJ Y, why is sleeping? AY, DJ Y, don't sleep. Oh, wake up. AY, DJ Y, wake up. Why is sleeping now? What's up? How you doing now? So this is me myself. And my friend, the boy, my G. That's how we do. We make money, we spend lavish, but we work hard. That's how we do. After this, I'm going back to Europe by February or March. So that I'll spend 2 weeks in Europe. Then I'll be coming back to Nigeria. Thank you very much, Shey Tinubu, and others. Singapore, my friend, Tokubo Hab, and what's it called? T-Pumping, CDK, Uncle MC, and Adedamola Protocol.